Okay guys, today I'm going to teach you how to install more RAM into your computer. Okay, so the first step is to open your web browser of choice, and then in the address bar fill in http://www.downloadmoreram.com. Now once you have entered that, this page should open, and you can select between 1 gigabyte of RAM, 2 gigabytes of RAM, and 4 gigabytes of RAM. Once you have selected, hit the download button, and then this page should open. And do not close your browser until this download has completed. Okay? Otherwise, you will have to start again from scratch. Now, once your download has completed, a dialog box should pop up telling you that it is completed. Now it is safe to close your web browser. If you want more than 4 gigabytes of RAM, just download the RAM as many times as you need. It'll work every time. I guarantee it. Enjoy.